Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. Another alert to parents to pay close attention to their children as an increasing number of youth are experimenting with drugs and using more creative ways of hiding it. As Krista Campbell reports, the matter is of particular concern to police in Manchester.
A direct, alarming, and in-your-face message targeting a young audience. The National Council on Drug Abuse, NCDA, in Manchester, getting a message across about the dangers of alcohol and substance abuse among an increasingly younger population. It's so bad, even the police are worried.
The children are vaping on a wide scale from as early as the primary school. It's a cause for concern. And I think the country, the legislators need to do something about it. We are losing our children to substance abuse.
Vaping is of particular concern.
The problem with vape is that it is legal. It is sold almost everywhere. Gas stations, mini-marts, supermarkets, and it is almost everywhere. It is conveniently placed for children and adults alike.
Check your children's bag because the vape pens look like purses, they look like lipstick, they look like anything possibly you can think about. Please check your children's bag because we are suffering. The children are suffering right now from the use of vape pens.
Erlene Campbell-Mills is a harm reduction officer at the NCDA. She warns of the dangers of kids drinking a mixture of alcohol and an energy drink, which they call a special.
And rum and boom, the energy drink mixed with rum, you know what happened to the heart? Oh Lord, can't stop beat. And not everybody can manage it, but everybody try it. And somehow we don't survive after we try it. You may not see them drinking the special because what they do with it, they pour it into their drinks bottle. So they walk with it in their drinks bottle. So we have to be very, very careful because these children, they are skiller than us.
Those skills demonstrated in a display of items the children have been found to use in concealing drugs, usually ganja. Here, Detective Corporal Dwight Morgan of the Area 3 Firearm and Narcotics Investigations Division, FNID, showcases a fake yam, also used to hide drugs used by youngsters. He explains that the situation has been a challenge for police and warns of the life-threatening impact on kids who take drugs with THC and nicotine, like vape. THC and nicotine are chemical stimulants which are highly addictive and affect brain activity.
Children are going into criminality. Their attention span is not good. They are not learning in school. The aggression, the violence, and it is overflowing on our streets. So you have young people going out of school with not fully developed brain. So they are not learning and then they have to survive. And criminality is an open door.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.